Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're counting down 7 incredible oils that have shown promise in soothing and supporting nerve health. Dealing with nerve damage, whether from diabetes, injury, or any other cause, can be incredibly challenging. But these natural remedies may offer some much-needed relief. Before we dive into today's game-changing topic for those struggling with nerve damage or neuropathy, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss out on any of our future videos, which are all about bringing you the best in wellness and health solutions. Now, let's start our countdown and see which oils might make a significant difference in your wellness routine. Kicking things off at number 7, we have chamomile oil, a name synonymous with calm and relaxation. But did you know that chamomile oil has some impressive credentials for soothing nerve-related discomfort and inflammation beyond its popular use as a sleep aid? That's right. This oil, derived from the beautiful chamomile flower, is celebrated for its gentle, soothing properties, making it a fantastic ally against neuropathic pain. What's the science behind it, you ask? Well, chamomile oil contains compounds such as bisabolol and chamazulane, known for their anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology highlights chamomile's effectiveness in reducing inflammatory pain, pointing to its potential in managing conditions that affect the nerves. But chamomile oil isn't just about easing pain, it's also about bringing a sense of peace and relaxation to your body. Its sedative qualities can help those struggling with nerve damage find some much-needed comfort, promoting relaxation in both the mind and the body. This dual action of fighting pain while encouraging relaxation makes chamomile oil a unique and valuable tool in your natural remedy toolkit. So, whether you're diffusing chamomile oil in your bedroom for a restful night's sleep, or applying it topically, in a diluted form of course, to soothe nerve pain, you're harnessing a powerful natural ally in the battle against neuropathy. And as we explore more oils on our list, you'll see how combining different natural remedies can offer a comprehensive approach to managing nerve health. Sliding into our number 6 spot, let's talk about eucalyptus oil, a true breath of fresh air for anyone dealing with nerve pain. This powerhouse oil isn't just for clearing your sinuses. It's packed with anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can offer a much-needed sigh of relief for nerve discomfort. Eucalyptus oil's magic lies in its cooling effect, which doesn't just feel refreshing, but actively works to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. What makes eucalyptus oil so effective? The key component is 1,8-cineol, also known as eucalyptal, which studies have shown to possess significant anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. A study published in the American Journal of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation found that eucalyptal has an analgesic effect that can help manage pain, including neuropathic pain, making eucalyptus oil a strong candidate for natural pain relief. But eucalyptus oil doesn't work in isolation. Its benefits are even more pronounced when used as part of a holistic approach to nerve health, combining the soothing effects of chamomile oil we discussed earlier with eucalyptus oil's refreshing relief. This synergy between different oils can create a more comprehensive strategy for managing nerve pain. Whether you're using eucalyptus oil in a diffuser to create a calming atmosphere or applying it topically, diluted of course, to target areas of nerve pain, it's an invaluable addition to your wellness routine. Its ability to ease discomfort while promoting a sense of well-being makes it a favorite among those seeking natural remedies for nerve pain. Number 5 on our list brings us to the invigorating aroma of rosemary oil, a scent as familiar in the kitchen as it is in our natural remedy cabinet. Renowned not just for its culinary uses, but also for its circulation-stimulating and nerve health-promoting abilities, rosemary oil is a multitasker in the world of essential oils. Its ability to alleviate pain and support the healing process for nerve damage makes it a standout choice for those seeking natural solutions. But what exactly gives rosemary oil its nerve-healing superpowers? The answer lies in its rich composition of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, such as carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid. These components have been studied for their neuroprotective effects, with research indicating that rosemary oil can not only help reduce pain, but also aid in the regeneration of nerve tissues. A study published in the Journal of Neurological Sciences revealed that rosemary oil has significant neuroprotective benefits, offering potential as a natural treatment option for nerve damage. Rosemary oil's effectiveness in nerve repair and pain relief is enhanced by its antioxidant properties, which fight off oxidative stress, a common culprit behind nerve damage. By improving circulation and reducing inflammation, rosemary oil creates an environment conducive to healing and pain relief. Securing the fourth spot, we delve into the ancient world of remedies with frankincense oil, a substance as old as time, revered for its remarkable healing properties. This oil isn't just a staple in historical texts for its aromatic presence, it's also a powerful ally in the modern fight against nerve damage. Frankincense oil stands out for its ability to improve circulation, reduce pain, and soothe inflammation, offering a trifecta of benefits that can significantly impact those experiencing nerve discomfort. But how does frankincense achieve these effects? The secret lies in its potent anti-inflammatory compounds, such as boswellic acids, which have been the focus of numerous studies. Research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences has highlighted the ability of boswellic acids to inhibit inflammatory markers, directly impacting the pathways that contribute to nerve pain and discomfort. This action not only reduces inflammation, but also helps improve circulation, creating an environment that promotes healing and well-being. Moreover, frankincense oil is celebrated for its capacity to induce a sense of calm and mental clarity, which is especially beneficial for individuals dealing with the stress and anxiety that often accompany chronic nerve pain. By integrating frankincense oil into your wellness routine, whether through topical application in a carrier oil or inhalation via a diffuser, you're tapping into an ancient yet scientifically backed method to soothe nerve pain and foster a sense of peace. Claiming the third spot on our list, lavender oil brings a bouquet of relaxation and calmness into the realm of natural healing. Celebrated far and wide for its stress-relieving benefits, this oil goes beyond just soothing the mind. It's a potent ally against the physical manifestations of nerve damage. Lavender oil is endowed with analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a go-to solution for those seeking relief from nerve pain and a pathway to enhancing their quality of life amidst such challenges. A study published in the Pain Research and Treatment Journal has shown that lavender oil can significantly reduce pain and inflammation when applied topically or inhaled. This is attributed to its compounds like linalool and linalyl acetate, which work synergistically to soothe inflammation and mitigate pain signals sent to the brain. Lavender oil's dual-action approach not only targets the physical aspects of nerve damage, but also addresses the psychological stress that often accompanies chronic pain. Its calming aroma has been shown to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality, factors crucial for the body's healing and coping mechanisms. Securing the runner-up position at number 2, peppermint oil makes a bold statement in the realm of natural remedies for nerve damage. This oil isn't just a refreshing aroma for your morning toothpaste, it's a powerhouse of pain relief and inflammation reduction. The secret behind peppermint oil's effectiveness lies in its high menthol content, which provides an invigorating cooling sensation that goes beyond mere surface relief to deeply soothe areas afflicted by nerve pain. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology reveals that menthol, the main component in peppermint oil, has significant analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. By activating certain receptors in the body, menthol induces a cooling effect that can temporarily override the discomfort associated with nerve pain, offering a natural and effective way to manage symptoms. Moreover, peppermint oil's anti-inflammatory benefit plays a crucial role in addressing the underlying causes of nerve discomfort, reducing inflammation, and contributing to a more conducive environment for nerve healing and function. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the #1 spot on our list is proudly claimed by helichrysum oil. Though it might not be as familiar to some as peppermint or lavender oil, helichrysum oil is a powerhouse when it comes to healing nerve damage. Its potency lies in its regenerative and protective properties, which not only support nerve growth, but also significantly reduce pain associated with neuropathy and nerve injuries. What truly sets helichrysum oil apart is its unparalleled anti-inflammatory and analgesic qualities. These are due to its unique composition of compounds, including italidones, which have been studied for their ability to promote nerve regeneration and reduce inflammation. A study in the Journal of Natural Medicines highlights helichrysum's effectiveness in accelerating healing processes and its potential to act as a natural remedy for repairing damaged nerve tissue. Moreover, helichrysum oil's analgesic properties make it an exceptional choice for pain relief. Its ability to soothe pain without the side effects associated with synthetic medications offers a holistic approach to managing nerve pain. Whether applied topically in a carrier oil or used in aromatherapy, helichrysum oil can provide immediate relief while working to address the long-term healing of nerve tissues. And there you have it, our carefully curated countdown of 7 incredible oils that offer support and relief for those navigating the challenges of nerve damage. As we've journeyed through each oil, from the calming chamomile to the potent helichrysum, it's clear that nature provides a rich palette of remedies to support our health and well-being. Before you embark on incorporating these oils into your regimen, we strongly advise consulting with a healthcare professional. It's crucial to ensure that these natural solutions complement your existing treatments and health conditions harmoniously. Now, we turn the spotlight to you. Have you had any personal experiences with these essential oils? Are there others you've found beneficial for nerve health that you'd like to share? Your insights could be a beacon of hope for someone in the comments section searching for relief. And if you found value in today's video, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share this video with someone who might benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Your support helps us bring more insights and hope to a community passionate about holistic well-being. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care and stay well.